friends, it's Donatella Botolino, and I am back with another offer of the day. This time we're going to do it a little bit different. We are going to have an auction. These items will be auctioned off. As soon as the video posts, bidding will start, and it will end at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Today I've put together a lot of all-natural stone bracelets and necklaces. Some of them may have silver findings. I can show you. I'll give you an example of what is in this lot. For those of you that know jewelry, tiger's eye. Almost every piece in this lot that I know of is natural stone. I'm sorry I don't know the type of natural stone. If you do know the type of natural stone, I would love for you to put it down in the comments. I know that's abalone, so that we can all learn together exactly what I'm featuring here. I get lots of beautiful jewelry all the time. Just keep in mind, anybody who is bidding, you must be registered at auctionsbydonna@yahoo.com. This lovely piece has a bracelet and necklace, matching necklace. And here we have, this is actually a really long piece. I'll just have it doubled up on the mannequin. And here we have what appears to be elephants. I don't know the material of that. I don't know if it's plastic or bone. That's going to be kind of a surprise. This is sort of like what you get when you buy a jewelry jar. These are different, perhaps lapis and perhaps turquoise and maybe coral. I've heard them referred to as seed beads, and they're very pretty. And then here in the tray we have two beautiful bracelets, bling bling bracelets. We have this stone necklace, and I believe it says 925 on there. I didn't check the clasps on all the other ones. I'm not sure. I don't know what kind of stone this is, or some sort of coral or stone. It's very pretty. Here you have another very pretty piece, appears to be silver as well. And I'm not sure what this is. And here's a beautiful bracelet here as well, with a pretty bling bling on it. It's very pretty. And here we have this. Another stone. It's definitely stone. I just don't know what kind of stone. It's not plastic. It's very beautiful. And here's another stone necklace. You could hear it, that it's stone, or some sort of marble, or it's very beautiful. And here's another piece that has, these look like marble. Those look like some sort of alabaster or marble, and then it has this glass piece on the end. Very beautiful as well. And this piece also is very beautiful. So if we count how many you'll get, let's start with this one. There's 1 and 2 and 3. That's 4. 5 on that. 6 on this. I don't think I showed you this one. 6, 7, 8, and 9. This one is 10, 11, and 12, 13, and 14, that's doubled up, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20 with the bracelet, 21 with this one. It's doubled up. It's very beautiful. 22, 23. This is very beautiful too. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 pieces of beautiful jewelry. Whoops, did we count that one? That might be a bonus. So, okay, this is going to be an online auction. Start the bidding as soon as the video posts. It will go on until 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You must be registered to bid at auctionsbydonna@yahoo.com. I will be doing more of these. I will be releasing a buy it now shortly after this post. However, this one is going to be an auction, and we are going to start the bidding off at $200 for this collection of beautiful natural stone jewelry. I appreciate you watching. Please come back for more. I'll also be doing more live auctions on my channel. And I'll give you once more a quick look at what you'll be getting. I just want to thank everybody who follows me, subscribes to me. You guys are great. I miss you when I'm not online. For now, we're going to be doing these quick little auctions on my channel and buy it nows. For those of you that have emailed me and said that they can't always attend auctions, this is a quick little 10-minute preview of some of the beautiful things that I have to offer. I also offer mystery jewelry jars for $100. You can also email me or write in the comment if you would like a mystery jewelry jar for $100. I also sell plush lots, $75 for all Disney, $75 for all Build-A-Bear, $50 for a mix, mystery mix, and then also we have dog lots. And a dog lot is a $25 bundle of plush that may be a little bit dirty or may have an imperfection or two, and they're perfect dog toys. All my items are including shipping, shipped to your house. I will PayPal you an invoice. As soon as payment is received, the item will be shipped. And once again, you must be registered. You must send an email for registration at auctionsbydonna@yahoo.com in order to be eligible to win this phenomenal lot of all natural beauty. Displays are not included. And thank you so much. We'll see you at the auction. Bye.